From the roadside hustle to the artisan village, one entrepreneur is proving that a simple stalk of sugarcane can sweeten into a thriving business. It's the story of Sugar Sticks Bar. Here's Deidre Thomas with the Business Review.
For years, Casey Morris, CEO of Sugar Sticks Bar, could be spotted on the road steering her vehicle from community to community with bundles of freshly cut sugarcane packed in the back. It was a labor of love. Long days in the hot sun, the sharp scent of cane filled the air as she peeled and sold sticks to eager customers.
I've always liked doing beverages from a tender age, but I didn't know it would turn into this type of business, because at the time when I gained the opportunity for this business, I wasn't actually doing juices. I was driving and selling the sugarcane, and I was approached, and so came the opportunity.
Today, the hustle has taken on a new form. After years on the road, she has anchored her dream at the Trelawney Artisan Village, where she's built a decent clientele.
I have a restaurant that I supply weekly, and I have persons that will just come on foot.
Her menu too has expanded. No longer just sugarcane by the stalk, but cane juice flavored blends and other byproducts.
I have a snack section and I have a bar section. So with the juice section, I would grind the sugar cane, and then I would use the juice to blend different fruits and vegetables such as beetroot, cucumber, June plum. I have a snack section where I would peel the sugar cane, split it up in small pieces, calling those sticks, and then I would apply rum, so that's rum sticks, lime juice, lemon sticks, and ginger juice, ginger sticks.
Still, Miss Morris is quick to admit that the business has its seasons. The high points run between October and May, when tourists flood in and demand surges.
With business, you don't really see profit at the first year, and this is just my year and a half. So for now, I'm just investing in the business and myself to be able to grow more in the future. This small space prepared me for bigger events where I've catered for over 5,000 people at an event. I recently did Curry Festa in Barbados, and I catered for over 10,000, but I wasn't doing my juice. I did my juices, and I also did food there.
However, running the business isn't all sweetness.
Because of the slow pace of the village, I think maybe that's the reason why people don't really stay. So the longest I've had someone was for 3 months.
But with every stack she peels, Miss Morris says she's one step closer to turning a roadside hustle into a lasting brand.
My long-term goals actually are to see my business all over on the 7 continents.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.